Hi guys, this is Olivia here. I'm also known as Baudet by Olivia. I am a model and a certified personal fitness trainer. Today I am doing a review on Teen Hearts clothing. So I ordered a couple items. I ordered a skirt from them, and I also ordered a mystery package that had 3 random shirts, and I also subscribed to their t-shirt membership. So basically every month you get a free t-shirt just sent to you, which is kind of cool, and it's really not that expensive. So let's see what I got. I also got the order here, so I'll be able to pull up prices and everything. Okay, so the mystery pack, which was 3 random t-shirts, was $65. The t-shirt club membership was $30, and the skirt I ordered was also $30. So let's check it out. So this package came first. I guess I should talk about my experience. I liked their website. It was really colorful and it was really well laid out. In terms of the shipping and everything, when the tracking info said it was going to arrive, it just kind of April 27th, it was like, tracking info is going to end here, delivery should arrive soon kind of thing. And I don't know, it still took like another week after that, so I was kind of like getting a little bit worried. And then it said that it sent out 2 packages at that time, because I ordered like 3 items basically, and it sounded like they were all going to be shipped separately. But I don't know, I'm pretty sure the 2 like are in this one, and this is the one that just came today. So I think like the tracking info just got screwed up or something, but I don't know. I was a little bit worried, I guess, but it all came, so I'm pretty impressed, I guess, so far. So let's check it out. Okay, so this is the skirt. Okay, so apparently the skirt actually came first. So the tracking info said that it got shipped last and that it just arrived. So the tracking info for the items themselves, I guess, were a little bit screwed up, but it arrived, so let's check it out. Okay. So this is it. The skirt. It's cute. I like it. It's honestly like a thinner fabric than I was expecting. I thought it'd be a little bit thicker, but I don't think it's going to be like see-through or anything. Like, I'm impressed. I'm not mad with fabric. It feels like it's going to be comfy. Like, it's like soft. It's like a nice, it's like denim, but it's like kind of not. Let's see what material this is. Is there a tag? I don't know. It's all in like Chinese, I believe. It sounds like these came from China, so can't really like read it. But regardless, I'm pretty impressed. There's no like loose threads. There's like a nice stretch to the material as well, so like it'll be comfy. It shouldn't ride up overly bad and everything when you wear it. So I'm not mad. Let's see, is the zipper smooth? Ooh. Uh-oh. Okay, so there's a loose thread there. Or like a feather. No, it's like a loose thread. Okay, zipper got kind of stuck. It was fine though once I went all the way down. I think it was just the feather that screwed it up. Yeah, no, the zipper's smooth. Okay, I'm not mad. I'm impressed. I'm going to put this aside. At the end, I'm going to try everything on and, you know, show you how it looks. Okay, next package. The big one. So I ordered my shirts in a medium. I'm not a medium. I'm usually like an extra small, but I wanted them to be bigger so that I could do like a, you know, a t-shirt dress kind of thing and all that. Strange vibes. Cool. It's like a Frankenstein. cool. I'm pretty sure it's cotton. Yeah, so it's gonna shrink. See, that's another reason I got a medium. I wanted to be a t-shirt dress, but I knew it was gonna shrink because, like, most t-shirts are cotton. So, like, I was assuming it was cotton, right? So, I like that so far. That's kind of fun. And then, so that must have been the t-shirt club shirt. And then this is the mystery pack. Okay. So, oh my god! Glove. Okay. So I got this awesome tie-dye one. Put a spell on you. Dope. I love this. Teen Hearts. This is really soft too, because this would have to been washed since it was already like tie-dyed. I'm very impressed. This is bomb. I really like that one. Okay, next one. Okay. That's cute. So it's like aliens shooting down pizza for beams. Like that's really cute. Cute. Good job, Teen Hearts. This shirt is really soft as well. I'm actually very impressed. Okay, last one. So this is just a plain one, but it's still tie-dye. So when you order the t-shirt pack, the mystery pack, it tells you might get like a shirt that's kind of plain. But like, I'm not even mad. This is still really cool. Again, it's like super soft. So far I'm super impressed. I can't wait to put them on and show you how it looks.
Come da può capire chi ti va bene, se tu la parla miezza americano, quando si fa l'amore sotto la luna, come da viene in capo di I love you, papà l'americano. Papà l'americano. Papà l'americano. l'americano. Papà l'americano.
Recommend ordering from Teen Hearts. I think the quality of their shirts and their prices were reasonable. I think a lot of work went into the shirts, as a lot of them are tie-dye, so that would have had to have been done by hand. And there was no like loose threads hanging or anything. I already know the non-tie-dye shirt is going to shrink as it's 100% cotton. And I think the fit is good for what I wanted. I know it fit big, but that's actually why I wanted them to fit large. So I kind of do t-shirt dresses and stuff like that. So I'm actually very happy with my order. Only comment about the skirt is like it does kind of ride up as you walk, but that I think has more to do just with the fact it's kind of a bodycon like skirt or pencil skirt, so that's just the mechanics of walking. Overall though, I was very happy, very impressed, and I'm going to need to set up a photo shoot to shoot this new stuff. So you can check out me on my Instagram at oliviacampbell.model, and you can also find me at Baudet by Olivia, so BOD_EH by Olivia. Those are both my Instagram names. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.